So the other day I cleaned up these headlights and I just got the LEDs in the mail, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the LEDs in and see what they look like. So one of my fog lights is out, but right now these are just all the halogen lights that are in there. There's a Sylvania halogen lights. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put in the LED lights. I just wanted to get a look at what it looked like before the change. These are the LED lights. They're NAO LED lights. I have been running them in my Mercedes C300 for about 2 years, no problems. And I figured I'd go ahead and put them in here. So let's give it a shot. This is a 2002 Lincoln LS, and it's really easy to access the headlights where the bulbs are. So you've got one of these rivets that you just turn, unscrew, and then it'll pop off. There should be another one here, but that one is missing. One right here. Just unscrew that, and then there should be another one right here, but that's missing too. So you gotta do is take those out, and then the shroud will come right on. So I'm looking down at the driver's side, and I can see the low beam right here, and then the high beam right over here. So these just twist in and out. So for this low beam, I just pull up, and then pull out, and out comes the bulb. So you just gotta disconnect that, and then the same process over there on the high beam. So here's how the LEDs come in the package. I've got the set, so I got the 9005s and the 9006s. 9005 is your high beam, 9006 is your low beam, and then I got some 9005s also for my fog lights. All right, so here it is with the passenger side still has the halogen, the driver's side has the LED, and then the driver's side fog light has the halogen, and the passenger side has the LED. So it's definitely a lot brighter, at least for me. I can see it's significantly brighter and definitely wider, so looks good. So I finished installing all the LEDs, and now I've got the LEDs in the low beams and in the fog lights and on the high beam.